Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to compare the water-based markers versus alcohol markers. So let's get into it. But first, let's ink the drawing. Inking is almost done, and now I'm going to divide this drawing into two parts for the alcohol-based markers and water-based markers. Now let's start coloring, and I'm going to apply first the alcohol markers. Now, it's time for the water-based markers. By the way, I'm going to share my thoughts about these two markers at the end of this video, so keep on watching! it's time for the marker review and comparison. First, when it comes to the price, the water-based marker is much more cheaper compared to the alcohol markers. Second, as you can see, the alcohol markers did a great job for blending colors compared to the water-based markers. Third thing is, they have both vibrant colors which are great. Fourth, when it comes to alcohol markers, you can do more color layering compared to water-based markers. Because with water-based markers, the more you add color, it will rip off the paper, even I'm using a marker paper. Fifth is that alcohol markers is really meant for anime drawing. But if you are an artist that just starting out with low budget, water-based markers is a great practice for you. Like what I did before when I'm still a beginner. And when I get better, then that's the time I buy an alcohol markers. So that's all the review and comparisons between alcohol and water-based markers, and I hope you found it helpful. So, enjoy the final reveal, brothers and sisters.